Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force from RAF St Morgan. Working alongside our NATO allies, RAF Typhoons have conducted air combat training in the skies over Eastern Europe during Operation Carson. Op Carson has provided the opportunity for RAF pilots to practice against different NATO aircraft types. This has increased their ability to fly and fight. Around 90 delegates and guests attended the RAF Ethnic Minorities Network annual conference at RAF Northolt. The theme for this year's event was Telling Her Story. The conference focused on pioneering ethnic minority women who successfully challenged prejudice and adversity during the 75 years since Windrush. 31 Squadron has been reformed at RAF Waddington, where a special parade was held to mark the occasion. 31 Squadron, known as the Goldstars, will operate the RAF Protector RG Mark I, which is the next generation of remotely piloted medium-altitude, long-endurance aircraft. The RAF Open Fencing Weekend was held at RAF Cosford. The event included air cadets, university air squadrons, and national and international fencing teams. 250 organisers, supporters and fencers had a great weekend of combat and coaching and experienced high levels of competition. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.